people. I have, of course, it is kicking me out of the boat for treasure. Well said. We're gonna continue playing. We're just gonna hop onto a new server. Not really server, but new. I guess it is a server. We're gonna hop onto a new server. Why am I still talking like this? I already did my video for school, so why am I still talking like this? I don't know, but we're gonna continue it. I'm gonna try to talk more normal, because and the only reason why I'm doing this is because school is over in 1 minute. So, what team has the most? Red team. I'm gonna try to join red team, so I will just spam them. I'm gonna be nicer this time. I asked once. No, I'm not allowed to join, I guess. Well, allow me on. Said allow me on. Why is my business team not allowing me on? It's very. Oh, thank you. I bugged. Oh. Damn. Well, I'm gonna help by going to my saves. I'm gonna put IDK. Load. Yes. Oh, fuck, I just destroyed it, I guess. It's got this lonely boat. Lonely boat is what I'm gonna call it. And then I'm gonna have 2 king chairs behind me. I'm not saying hi to you. That person already has a freaking. So get in. Yes. Only one more person has to take it. I hope this guy doesn't fall off like as soon as I start driving. Because if that does happen, that will be very sad. Oh, frick, there's another human. Human, I'll get you share. There is share behind me. I have got you share. There's a share behind me. Wait, fine, I'll give you a king share. There's share behind me. Do you want a king share? Fine, I'll give you a king share. Oh, are you guys sitting right there? You're going to sit there or not? Oh, I think she's trying. Oh, I feel bad because you can't get. I was gonna put. I'm still gonna continue. I can't launch it. I'm trying. Build something. Here's another king share. I'm. Thank you. Idiot. Get back in. Get back in. Oh my god. Whatever. we're going to lose one. That's their fault, not mine. So. Okay, well, we are going. Okay, so as you can see, it says I have not gotten to the end yet, which is a lie because I have been to the end, and I've gotten this treasure. Because if you saw in my, when I was getting the share, I think you guys saw that there was a freaking treasure block, well, good block thing. Yeah, that's my sis. Don't do that. Oh, don't do what? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. What did I do? I don't know what I did. Guys, what did I do wrong? Can you guys put in the comments what I did wrong? I'm very confused on what I did wrong. That was rude. Oh frick. This is so. I was gonna allow myself to glide through, because I can't really do anything. You're talking about the black-haired girl? Well, I tried. I legit tried to go back and save her, but I couldn't. Oh frick, there's. Excuse me. What the frick? I'm being bamboo. I can't freaking talk. I swear, if she jumps off, I'm gonna. Oh well, I'm sorry. Well, I'm just gliding now. Damn, I really sent that thing flying. I'm gonna just reset my character basically, just because I want to be with my teammate. Okay, I got 2 more goes, 1 more. Cool. I really don't care. I'm gonna help these guys good. Yeah. How the flip are you expecting to get out? Minute. Can I get mad at me for doing this? I'm gonna just still do it anyways. Cause oh well. I bet those guys are gonna see this and probably comment, like the sisters. They're probably gonna see this and comment what I did wrong. And also, why the fuck is my screen flashing? I'm gonna not say anything about my screen flashing, even though I just did basically say something about my screen flashing. I have 1 left. I'm gonna use it. Oh, frick. Wait, I'm just gonna clear off. Yes. Oh my god, what the frick is this flashing? No. Yeah, no. say? Somebody answer me why the flip my screen is flashing. It's very annoying. It's really hurting my eyes. Oh my god, I forgot how hard it is to zoom in on my computer. Like, oh my god, that. Why the frick is my computer doing that? That's very annoying. Clear up, please. I may need a different way to get out. Damn, they just they're just like no to you. It's still very annoying how my screen is flashing. Um, jetpack. Should I add? Do you know? I'm just gonna add this to the front of it just for cool accessory. Oh my god, the flashing on my computer has calmed down. Oh, why did this? Has it calmed down? I don't know, but I really want to put wheels on this. And what the? Is this the floating tower? I'm gonna where the fuck is? Oh, there's the bottom. Well, we're gonna just have that there. Yes. Oh, somebody was here? No. Yes. I don't know why I'm still doing this because I deleted that thing. But you know. Yeah. Clear. Oh, yes. Can you stop with that? It's very annoying. That was just rude. We're supposed to be working together, but if you don't want to work together, then we'll just make a boat over here. Oh, added stressors everywhere. A lot of stress. It'd be annoying at chess. Putting chess shoes everywhere. I'm annoying. Oh. That annoy her. So. Yeah. Oh, that did it. This is gonna be my home of chess. Okay then. I'm gonna clear all of them and make a boat. That is basically this. This is my boat. This is my boat. I hope you guys like it. It's probably like, what the frick is this? Well, can you make a house? Yes. I'm gonna get like this material just because I like it. Oh frick. J-A-J-A-J-A. Okay then, who the frick said that? Oh, that guy over there. Blank. Should I warn them that this is for a YouTube video? Nah. Did she say something? Make it. Oh, he said, okay, make it, and I'm just gonna say, okay. I'm making a house now for this person. I'm guessing she wants a house underwater. And it's legit gonna be on the water. Not gonna be like one of those fake houses that are like really close to the water. Gonna be on the water. Wait a minute, I need to freaking fix where I'm sitting. Excuse me, I wasn't finished. Okay, I guess this works. At least she got a seat. Damn. No, no, get me. Get me up. Yeah, that was really stupid. Yes. We want whoever we can on our team. Anyways, we're gonna try that again. It's gonna be a very tiny boat, well, house, but who cares? Yes. random area. I did not mean to put that there. Ow. Freaking the flashing on my screen. I don't know if you guys can see that my screen is flashing, but I'm pretty sure you can. And the flashing is so freaking annoying. Sure go. They both. I hate this freaking. I don't like these guys. Anyways, leave faster. I'm gonna see how long this video has been. Nobody gives a fuck if. I'm gonna stop recording and not post this anyways. So goodbye. I should stop.